Sisal is a natural plant fiber extracted from the leaves of the agave Sisalana plant, and our Sisal rope is imported from Brazil. Our Sisal rope is a 3-strand twisted, biodegradable rope that has moderate strength and excellent grip. Our Sisal rope has a grassy, earthy smell that is pleasant and not off-putting. So what can you do with Sisal rope? Our 3-strand Sisal rope is a great choice for indoor use, for decorative projects, and other general uses. It is not ideal for outdoor projects since it is a natural fiber rope and it will deteriorate over time from exposure to the elements. Sisal rope is also great for industrial packaging applications like tying and wrapping, for the nursery industry, for tying and guying trees, and for arts and crafts and other interior designs. People often ask, is your Sisal rope treated with anything? Our Sisal rope is not treated with any chemicals or preservatives, and because of this, it makes a great pet toy or cat scratching post. We sell a lot of Sisal rope for use with many different bird species as well. We sell our Sisal rope by the foot in any length you want. Our Sisal rope comes in several different diameters, all the way from 3/16 diameter, all the way up to 1.5" diameter. We also sell rope in bulk coils. If you want to buy a full coil, be sure to check our website for quantity discounts. We also sell Sisal twine in 1-ply, 2-ply, and 3-ply sizes in 10-pound boxes. Overall, Sisal is a great natural fiber rope that is really good for many different applications. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll be sure to answer. You can also give us a call or email and we'd be happy to help you. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share with someone that you know that might be interested in learning more about Sisal rope. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about rope, and as always, we will get you the right rope at the right price. So Ildo, we're filming a video about Sisal rope.
Yeah.
What would you tell everybody about Sisal?
I really think this is a great product. I mean, this is natural, and it clearly smells really good. Check it.
It does smell good.